What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Farming the Market. This is your boy, the Average Trading Joe. Just wanted to bring you guys in here. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. This is the Webull account. So you guys are used to the Robinhood videos. This is going to be our Webull series here. Basically, this account's going to be, well, it's been primarily used for share purchasing and not really many option plays, but we'll be using it for option plays in the future. We'll see what happens. But basically, we jumped in on two things today. I want to show you guys what it was. It was Sorrento Therapeutics. We picked up 45 shares at 10.16. So we're down a penny a share right now, no big deal, 45 cents. But the reason we picked this up, it had some really nice pre-market movement today. It was like holding steady above 10 for a while pre-market, and then it caught, I don't even know what the high of the day was. I think it was like 1050 something, 1060, whatever it was. But there was just some really nice action on Sorrento today. So it kind of leads me to believe that there's going to be some kind of news tomorrow, possibly Wednesday. But I picked up 45 shares at 10.16 just to kind of see what happens with that. But you guys can see the chart here. It's time for this thing to jump back up to where it was. The Hindenburg short, they have two different tests, saliva tests. The one that Hindenburg was shorting them on was the Yale test, but we're still waiting to hear on the EAU for the other test that they have, which isn't related to Yale. Or I'm sorry, no, it's Columbia, I believe. Yeah, Columbia. But we're waiting on that. So that's kind of why we jumped in on here. It looked like some really good action today, so it makes me believe there's going to be some kind of big release tomorrow, possibly the next day. The other thing we jumped in on is Workhorse right here. As you can see, we got 20 shares at 27.13 basically. Multiple reasons we picked this up. You guys have watched the videos before, but look at this yearly chart. It looks like it's on a new rip right here. You guys can see right in here, it looks like we're getting ready to go to a new peak. But the reason this was up today, come down to the news here, Trump was looking at a Lordstown truck on the White House lawn today, which, if you guys don't know, Workhorse owns a 10% share of, or 10% stake of Lordstown Motors. So they're going to be going public here shortly with the ticker RIDE, RIDE. That could be an interesting play in the future. We'll be looking more into that when they release their IPO. But for now, we're still in on Workhorse. I like it. I kind of got tired of playing the options. They jump, they go down, they jump, they go down. But right now we're in at 20 shares for Workhorse. So looking to see a good jump tomorrow, possibly the next day. It looks like we're moving to an all-time high here coming up shortly. Chart looks really good. Everything's kind of coming together for them. We're still waiting to hear on the USPS deal. I think that'll come before September. The end of September. We've got a couple more, a week and a half or so left in September. So I think we're going to hear something before then, because the end of the USPS fiscal year is the end of September. So I think they're going to announce some kind of news on that. We should be getting at least a big percentage of the deal, if not the whole thing. It'd be fantastic if they got the whole thing. But Sorrento, I think we're going to be seeing $20 again this week, and Workhorse, I think we're going to be 35 plus by Friday. Sorrento 20, Workhorse 35 plus by Friday. So if you guys aren't in on these guys, check them out. If you guys play options, if you guys play just purchasing stocks, let me know in the comments what you guys are in on. If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. That makes sure you get the updated videos when they come out. And like I said, this is going to be a newer series here. It's going to be the Webull series, so it's going to be mostly used for share trading, but we'll see what happens in the future. I can never promise anything because you never know what's going to happen. But thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and please like and subscribe if you like the content.